No-Code Pro automated drywall corner system produces ready-to-install drywall corners with joint compound already applied, cut to any length. It's simple to operate. To load the No-Code Pro corner onto the No-Code Pro machine, push in the perforated section above the finger hole. Tear out the perforated large end panel and remove. Be sure not to tear or remove more than the perforated panel. Then, remove the perforated panels on both sides of the box. Lift the box with the perforated end panel facing the machine and mount over the spindle, ensuring the box below the perforated tear rests firmly against the No-Code Pro machine. The box should fit snugly against the spindle arm and is secured in place by the spindle cap. Now, pull the end of the No-Code Pro corner out of the box and feed the corner through the open slot into the feed rollers using the feed knob. Turn the feed knob counterclockwise until the product stops against the inside cutter blade. You can always remove or adjust the position of the corner by pushing down on the feed release lever. For an outside corner, rotate the folder handle away from you until the folder handle rests against the stop pin in the out position. Then, locate the hopper with the tapered feet in the far set of locating holes. For an inside corner, rotate the folder handle toward you until the folder handle rests against the stop pin in the in position. You need to locate the hopper with the tapered feet in the set of locating holes closest to you. To set the language of the display to English, French, or Spanish, press Menu and select 2, then select the language. With No-Code Pro, it's easy to make high-quality, custom-length corners that are ready to install. First, be sure that the corner is loaded properly and the folder and hopper are both set for the desired outside or inside corner. Begin by entering numeric length, the unit of measure, and quantity of pieces per measurement. Continue entering corners in this manner until you have entered all the corners that you would like to run in one batch. The No-Code Pro can also store up to 9 lists of corners in Memory Store so that they can easily be recalled. Press Run on the keyboard or the remote button to dispense the first corner on the list. You can always pause the corner output by pressing Stop or the remote button during output. Press Run or the remote button again to continue. Support the corner as it comes out of the No-Code Pro machine. Wait to pull out the product until you hear the No-Code Pro cut the corner to avoid length errors. Press corner on desired location by hand. To complete the installation, place the No-Code Pro roller on the corner. Utilizing consistent and even pressure, roll over the entire length of the corner. That is all you need to know to get fast, efficient No-Code corners, saving you time and money and boosting productivity and profits. For more information, view the No-Code Pro instruction manual or visit CertainTeedCorners.com.